Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 9090, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 9090? What's the symbolism of 9090? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 9090 mean for love? What does 9090 mean for twin flames? What does 9090 for manifestation? How does angel number 9090 affect finances? What does 9090 mean for former relationships? How does 9090 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 9090? What are the weaknesses of angel number 9090? What's the meaning of angel number 9090? Angel number 9090 is a powerful symbol of closure, transformation, and spiritual awakening. The number 9 represents humanitarianism, inner wisdom, and endings, while 0 symbolizes divine potential and new beginnings. Together, 9090 suggests a cycle is ending in your life, preparing you for a spiritually guided new chapter. It's a call to release what no longer serves you and embrace growth with faith. The number encourages you to live with purpose, be of service to others, and trust the divine plan unfolding. You're being supported to transition into a phase that's more aligned with your higher self. What's the symbolism of angel number 9090? The symbolism of 9090 revolves around the themes of endings, renewal, and divine alignment. The number 9 appears twice, intensifying its association with spiritual enlightenment, compassion, and letting go of the past. The zeros amplify spiritual connection and infinite potential, representing the space for new growth. Symbolically, 9090 invites you to surrender outdated beliefs, habits, or relationships that block your evolution. It's a message that profound change is imminent, but it's divinely orchestrated for your benefit. This number reminds you that transformation is not an end, but a transition to greater purpose, clarity, and universal harmony. What is the angel number 9090 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 9090 is deeply tied to soul missions, spiritual service, and higher wisdom. The double nines signify maturity and completion of karmic lessons, encouraging you to elevate your consciousness and serve humanity with compassion. The zeros emphasize connection to source and reinforce that your spiritual path is divinely guided. Seeing 9090 may mean you're being prepared to act as a lightworker, teacher, or healer. It encourages inner reflection, prayer, and trust in divine timing. Spiritually, 9090 is a reassurance that your soul is evolving, and you are being aligned with your true purpose on earth. What does angel number the 9090 mean for love? In love, angel number 9090 suggests emotional maturity, spiritual connection, and releasing toxic patterns. If you're in a relationship, it may indicate a phase of transformation, either deepening the bond through spiritual growth or ending a connection that's no longer aligned. For singles, 9090 signals readiness for a soulful, purpose-driven partnership. It encourages you to prioritize self-love, healing, and clarity before seeking new love. This number invites you to look at love as a form of divine partnership, where both individuals grow, support each other's missions, and remain rooted in compassion, forgiveness, and mutual respect. What does angel number 9090 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 9090 signifies intense spiritual transformation, soul lessons, and divine orchestration. The number 9 reflects the completion of karmic cycles and inner work, while the zeros symbolize universal guidance and rebirth. 9090 often appears when twin flames are either about to reunite or must temporarily part to fulfill personal growth. It encourages both twins to release ego, heal wounds, and align with their higher self. This number supports the idea that twin flame journeys are more about spiritual evolution than romance. Trust that any separation or union is purposeful and part of your shared soul mission. What does angel number 9090 for manifestation? Angel number 9090 indicates that manifestation efforts should focus on service, spiritual fulfillment, and purpose-driven goals. It reminds you that manifesting from a place of alignment and compassion is more powerful than chasing ego-based desires. The nines emphasize giving, teaching, and leading, while the zeros point to divine co-creation and infinite potential. You're being asked to align your intentions with your soul mission and release what no longer resonates. 9090 suggests that you're close to manifesting meaningful changes, especially if you trust divine timing and remain grounded in love, gratitude, and a clear sense of inner purpose. How does angel number 9090 affect finances? Financially, 9090 signifies transformation and a shift toward purpose-driven income. While the number 9 doesn't focus on material wealth, it promotes philanthropy, ethical leadership, and using money as a tool for service. The zeros suggest limitless potential when finances are aligned with spiritual values. This number may indicate the end of an old job or financial chapter and the beginning of something more fulfilling. It urges you to view money not as an end, but as a means to do good and support your soul's mission. Financial blessings will flow when your values and actions are in harmony. What does angel number 9090 mean for former relationships? For former relationships, 9090 represents closure, forgiveness, and soul growth. It encourages you to release emotional baggage and reflect on the lessons these connections offered. The double nines highlight endings that serve your evolution, while the zeros offer space for healing and renewal. Whether the relationship ended on good or painful terms, 9090 asks you to see it as part of your spiritual journey. You're being guided to let go of the past with love and gratitude, making room for higher vibrational connections in the future. This number supports emotional healing and the completion of karmic ties. How does angel number 9090 guide your work life? In your professional life, 9090 promotes purpose, transformation, and service. It signals a calling to align your career with your spiritual mission and values. The nines encourage humanitarian work, teaching, healing, or mentoring, while the zeros provide divine support for transitions or new beginnings. If you're feeling unfulfilled, 9090 may be prompting a shift toward work that benefits others and feeds your soul. It also encourages ethical leadership and using your talents for the greater good. Trust that if you're leaving a job or starting something new, it's divinely timed and aligned with your higher purpose. What are the strengths of angel number 9090? The strengths of angel number 9090 lie in compassion, wisdom, and spiritual maturity. People drawn to this number often have strong intuition, emotional intelligence, and a deep desire to serve humanity. They are natural healers, teachers, or guides who bring insight and empathy to every area of life. "9090 encourages resilience during endings and inspires growth through life's transitions. Its influence empowers individuals to seek truth, live authentically, and remain connected to divine guidance. It fosters inner peace and clarity, especially when navigating change. This number's strength lies in its ability to transform challenges into spiritual evolution and purposeful action." What are the weaknesses of angel number 9090? While spiritually powerful, 9090 can also carry challenges such as over-sacrificing, avoidance of material needs, or emotional burnout. Those influenced by 9090 may struggle to set boundaries or feel burdened by the weight of their spiritual responsibilities. The energy of May 9th lead to excessive idealism or attachment to past wounds, while 0 can create feelings of uncertainty or aimlessness if not balanced with grounding practices. People resonating with 9090 may also resist necessary endings or stay too long in unfulfilling situations. To counteract these weaknesses, self-care, practical action, and emotional boundaries are essential.